Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your delicious Nigerian Efo Riro using your frozen spinach. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So right here, I have my whole leaf spinach, which I've already taken out from my freezer to defrost overnight. So right now, I'll go ahead and put the spinach on my sieve so it will drain off all the excess water slowly. You don't need to squeeze this so you don't take off all the healthy nutrients from your spinach. So right here, I'm going to be using some sweet long chili peppers and also some scotch bonnet pepper and onion. I'm also going to be using some palm oil, grinded crayfish, smoked prawn, and some MAGGIE. And definitely I'll be using some Riro, which is also known as locust beans. So into my pot, I have my already washed meat, and I've gone ahead and add in my frozen garlic. I'll add in some nut cubes, some dried thyme, I'll also add in some curry powder, some salt, and I'll add in my onion, some nutmeg powder, which you can go ahead to spicing up your meat to your taste. And I'm going to be adding in my stockfish. I'll stir this up together, and I'm not going to be putting water into my meat at this time. I'm going to allow it to cook with the water from the gizzard. So while the meat is cooking, I will go ahead now and add in some boiling water and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes more. And that's the meat done. Right now, I will start chopping in my sweet long chili pepper, which I've already washed. After cutting my peppers, I'll go ahead and use my food processor to roughly blend this. If you don't have a food processor, you can use your pause button on your blender to roughly blend it, but because you don't need this to come out smooth, except you like it to be smooth. So right now, I'll prep my onion. And I'm done with this step. So right now, I will get in my food processor and start blending my sweet chili peppers. So guys, I'm going to be roughly blending this pepper, and at the end of the day, this pepper is going to come out not smooth, and I'm not adding water to it. This is how I want it to be. But if you don't like it like this, you can go ahead and blend yours into a smooth paste. So after cooking my meat, I'll go ahead and put it in my oven tray, and I'm going to be grilling this for about 20 minutes. If you don't like grilling, you can go ahead and fry your meat. So into my cooking pot, I'm going to be adding in some palm oil. And I'm going to preheat this palm oil for just about 2 minutes. I'm not going to be bleaching this oil here. So after preheating my oil, I'll go ahead and add in my diced onion. So guys, after adding in my onion, I will allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add in a teaspoon of garlic paste. I'll add in some Riro, which is also known as locust beans, and I will give it a nice stir. At this moment, my kitchen is already smelling divine. So I'll add in some dry thyme. I'll stir this up together, and my fire is on a medium heat. So right now, I'll go ahead and put in my sweet chili pepper that I've already roughly blended. And I'm going to be stir frying this on a high heat. So after putting in my sweet peppers, I'm going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. And right now, I'll add in some salt to taste. Some curry powder. And I'm going to stir this up together. Right now, I'll go ahead and add in my already grinded crayfish. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time coming to this channel, you're so welcome. Please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment on the comment section regarding anything that you would like me to explain to you on this recipe. So right now, I'll go ahead and add in my already pre-cooked cow foot. And at this moment, I will put my fire on a medium heat because my peppers are already well cooked. I'll add in more nut cubes. And at this moment, I will transfer in my frozen spinach, which have already drained off all the excess water without squeezing it. So I'm going to be stirring this together to mix with my sweet pepper sauce. This long sweet chili pepper is going to give your soup a very nice taste. So after stirring this, I'm going to allow it to keep on cooking on a medium heat so the spinach will cook properly with the sweet peppers. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you find it helpful. I also do have another recipe for Efo Riro using your fresh vegetable spinach. I'm going to be dropping that video link on the description box and I'm also going to pin it on the comment section so you can check it out and make yourself some nice delicious fresh spinach Efo Riro. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and please, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Drop me a comment on the comment section as I'm always there reading your comments. So guys, right here you can see I went ahead and add in my smoked prawn as this is also going to give it a nice flavor. Oh my goodness, I'm just going to stir this up together and voila, my Efo Riro of vegetable soup is ready. I can use this to eat my swallow, rice, yam, plantain, whatever, you name it, you can enjoy this as it is also very healthy. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click on your bell icon so you will never miss any delicious recipe from me. Till I see you again on my next recipe, do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.